Hi everyone, it's Roland Tech Virtual Assistant. I am Roland based in the Philippines. Today we are going to be having a tutorial on Google Doc. I am going to be sharing my screen as we learn and navigate together. But before we dive into that tutorial fully, it is important for us to know what is Google Doc. Google Doc is a web-based word processor that allows users to create, edit, and store documents online. That is what our Google Doc is all about. So if you're on your computer, it's important for you to open your Gmail as we navigate and learn together. Now, if you're on your computer, it's important for you to follow my mouse pointer and my voiceover to get it correctly. Now, the tutorial of today is Google Doc, and we have two ways of entering our Google Doc in our computer. You can enter your Google Doc through your address bar, and you can also open your Google Doc through your app, through your Google app. Okay. The first option is clicking on the address bar, and you can open it this way, googledoc.google.com, and you have it open this way. And the second option is by you taking your mouse pointer over to this Google app and navigate it down to Doc, and you also have it open this way. And you have your template gallery. If you're a new beginner to Virtual Assistant, this template gallery will help you to edit any document very easily in your Google Doc, so you don't go through the step of building it from the scratch. So template is here to help and assist you to make your job so easy, just in case when you have a task to execute in this Google Doc. So it's important for you to understand and know that these templates are here to help and assist you to make your job easier for you. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to be taking this tutorial from the scratch, which is from the beginning in this Google Doc. And you click on your blank document and you have your blank document open this way. And the first thing that you need to do, but before we can start working on our blank document, the task that I'm about to execute is 5 tourist center in Cebu, and I'm executing this task with my teammates, and I will be sharing it with my teammate after done executing the task. And how do I start executing this task? The first thing that I need to do is to take my mouse pointer to rename this untitled document, to rename it to 5 tourist center in Cebu. So that is the first thing I need to do to rename this document, okay? And it will automatically affect this tab 1 later on. Then the next thing that I need to do, is to give it a heading or a title. Then after that, you optimize it, you make it bold and increase the font, maybe 20, and you come over here, you center, then you can italic it if you want, and you can as well underline it if you want to. Okay, then you change the font to red color. You can change the font color to any kind of color that you wish to, okay? But for me, I prefer red because it makes it more obvious to see. So I like it when it's red. Then after that, then this is what I need to do to start imputing those documents, or to impute the 5 tourist place below this text, this heading that I just made. All you just need to do, follow my mouse pointer and my voiceover, you will get it correctly, okay? Okay, then you take your mouse pointer over here, you come to Google Gemini, So the Google Gemini is generating, just follow this accordingly. Now you have it here, okay? This is the first with address, and the second one with address. You have the third one here with address, and you have the fourth one with address, and here is the fifth one with address, okay? So what do we do with this information? All we need to do is to copy this information and paste it to our Google Doc, okay? Copying the information, you have it this way. Then you go back to your Google Doc, you paste it. Can you see it? So this is the first information, which is the tourist place in where? In Cebu, okay? This is the first information. And we have the second information. There you go back. And here is the second information. So you also copy. And make no mistake in while you are copying it, okay? And you have the second information here. This is the second information, and this is the first information. So that is how you will copy the 5 information, which is the tourist place in Cebu. You copy it to this document. And after that, when you are done doing that, then the next thing that you need to do is to what? Is to share it with your teammates by clicking on this, your share button. And you have it this way. You remove this restriction button to anyone with the link. And you type the email address of your teammate. For example, this is the email address of my teammate. And after that, I will give him access to either edit, comment, or view this document. So if I give my teammates access to edit, that simply means they can also work on that document. And after that, I will just click on send, and automatically I have shared this information or this document with my teammates. So that is how to make this, and that is how to get it correctly. And I hope you understand this teaching. If my teaching interests you and you find this video helpful, feel free to give it a like, subscribe, and follow for more. You can as well share this video to reach more audience. See you in the next video.